Hello, it's Chris from the Customer Success team here at AgentRelay, and today I'm going to show you how to add a new space. To add a space on AgentRelay, users can click on the Add New Matterport Space green button. It will open a separate screen where they can enter the space details. The mandatory fields required are the space title and the Matterport URL. However, we recommend a feature photo be added, which is then used for both the viewing waiting room imagery and for any visitor registration pages, such as when signing up for an open house viewing. So firstly, add the space title. Adding a title allows the user to decide exactly how the property description should appear to guests within the property description pane in virtual viewings. Let's add ours. The reference. Add a reference which is typically the same reference used in your property database. The reference will not be seen in virtual viewings and is for internal reference only. Let's add ours. The listing URL. Add a link to the external property listing page. This will appear in the property description pane within viewings. Let's add ours. The feature photo. A property feature photo will be visible to a guest when entering a virtual viewing. Let's add ours. Okay, add the property details. Firstly, the price. For both the purchase and the rental of a property, the price will appear in the property description pane within viewings. Okay, next the type. Select the property type such as purchase or rental. The property type will appear in the property description pane within virtual viewings. Selecting the property type other means that no price or property type is displayed should this be a requirement. We're going to put purchase price. Right, the number of bedrooms, bathrooms and garages. Enter the appropriate number of relevant rooms in the property which will appear in the visitor registration templates. Let's put ours in. Okay, the size. Enter the property dimensions according to the unit of measurement pre-selected in the account settings. The default option is set in the global settings, and this is either square meters or square foot. This is square foot. Okay, next. Add the Google Maps location. A feature that allows agents and guests to co-browse Google Maps content and to co-explore externally at street level using Street View. Let's put ours in. Okay, right, next, the original Matterport tour. The Matterport URL is a required field on AgentRelay. Let's put ours in. Select the lead agent. The lead agent assigned to a property receives all visitor-related notifications regarding that specific property, including visitor registrations, requests for viewings, and contact through the Contact Agent button in unaccompanied visits. Unaccompanied visits are covered in depth in a later video. Okay, ours is already populated, that's me. Okay, so let's click the Create Space. Okay, now we're taking through to this new screen. Okay, viewing assets can then be added to the space. This includes photos, videos and floor plans. These can then be used to both promote the space on unaccompanied Matterport tour visits and for co-viewing with guests on agent-accompanied viewings. We can do this now or at a later date after the space has been set up, but we'll put ours in now. Let's put some photos in. There we go. Let's put our video in. There we go. Add video. And finally, let's put our floor plan in. There you go. That's an SVG file, and all these can be dragged or uploaded. Okay, and that's done. So we've created our Matterport space. Okay, so everything there. and all the other features will be covered in a later video, but the space has been created. Thank you very much.